I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is FormCraft. Select a form. Click on Next. Search and select Bit Form as an action. Give here the client ID. So, go to the Bit Form dashboard. App Setting. API. Copy the API key and save it. Then go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and paste it into the client ID. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a form. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic you can use for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Submit the form. Now go to your Bit Form dashboard. Under the Actions, click on 3 dots and go to the Responses. Here you can see that the data came successfully into the Bit Form. Thanks for watching.